Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Ephesians 5 verse 3. But fornication and all uncleanness or covetousness, let it not be one's name among you as becometh saints. So that is the message of Lord for you today. That God wants you to flee from fornication. And God wants you to have a holy marriage. God wants you to have a holy lifestyle. God wants you to stop doing the sexual immorality, for that is detestable in the sight of God, and even the uncleanness and the covetousness. God is very angry to all his children who disobey him. And God wants us to wholly obey him and to have a full surrender to him. And God wants us to take good care of our bodies as a living sacrifice to him and as a holy vessel for him. God doesn't want us to be seductive in the sight of all the people. God wants us to be clean. God wants us to be blameless. God doesn't want us to live like how the earthly people live. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.